Hi, this video demonstrates projection of a two-dimensional point on x-axis and y-axis. For the demonstration purpose, on the screen you can see a program on the left hand side. Here you have a point class. The point class containing two variables x and y. And it containing a function x projection and y projection. So if we call x projection on any of the object of this point class, it will create a new point class object with the x value of the calling object and make the y value as 0. Same as in y projection function, we are creating a new point object by making the x value as 0 and taking the y value from the calling object. And in the driver class, it prompts the user to enter x and y value and storing that value in m1 and m2 variable. Then by using this variable, creating a new point class object. Here it can be p0. Then I am calling x projection on this p0 object. It is returning a object of point that I am storing in xp. Then finally displaying that value using the print function. Similarly, I am getting another set of input from the user and creating a new object p1 using that input value, then calling y projection on that object p1. This y projection is also returning another object that I am storing in yp. Then I am printing the coordinate of that point. In order to run this program, you have to click the sequence diagram, or if you want to see what are the functions in these classes, you can click the class diagram. The sequence diagram is showing two buttons, previous and next. So if you click on the next button, it's showing the currently executing function is the main function in the driver class. Then inside the main function, it is creating an instance of the scanner class. Then it prompts to enter the x and y value. Here I am entering 5 for the x and 6 for the y value. Then click the submit button. Then it creating an object 5, 6. So x value and y values are initialized to 5 and 6 respectively. After that, it is calling x projection on that object. So call will come here. This function is taking x value from the point object, that is 5. Then make the y values as 0. Okay, now the new object is created. This object is returned to the caller. So this object is stored in the variable xp. Then in the next line, I am going to print the x and y value. So before that, you have to give another set of input for the y projection. So now it's showing that the x projection of the point 5, 6 is 5, 0. Now it's creating another object. After that, I am calling y projection. So for the demonstration purpose, I use the same point. You can use different point for y projection also. So I call the y projection. Inside the y projection, it's take the y value from the calling object, that is 6, and make the x variable as 0. And it's finally printing the projection of the point 5, 6 in the y axis, that is 0, 6. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.